Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn counting.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
11,
11,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives
12,
on
12,
Drury Lane.
13,
13,
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who
14,
lives on
14,
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
15,
15,
16,
16,
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know
17,
the Muffin
17,
who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
18,
know the
18,
Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
19,
19,
20,
20,
red color,
red color,
orange color,
orange color,
yellow color,
yellow color,
blue color,
blue color,
green color,
green color,
purple color,
purple color,
pink color,
pink color,
brown color,
brown color,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you. See you soon.